A loop recorder is a small device about the size of the hook on a pen that we inject underneath the skin over your heart to monitor your heart's signals continuously over a long period of time. The loop recorders are used in patients who have intermittent problems which cannot be monitored by an EKG or a 24-hour monitor like a Holter monitor or a telemetry monitor. The purpose of the loop recorder is to identify abnormal heart rhythms that might be causing symptoms of patients such as dizziness, passing out, abnormal heartbeats like palpitations, and they are occurring not on a continuous basis or a frequent basis, but rather once every few weeks or once every month or longer periods than that.